Here's the snow racer. Still not working. What are we, 2 years into this project? But you know the old saying, if at first you don't succeed, pretend you never tried and start a new project. That is the next project. Doesn't look like much right now, but this propane tank is going to turn into a mini wood stove for our winter camping tent. It's our swing set covered in a tarp. This is where the mini wood stove heater is going to go. So the materials that I'm going to be working with is this old expired propane tank, which I did start making this scooter, but I found out the metal that I'm using is not quite strong enough for what I want to do, so I'm going to hack that up and use it for another part. Got some rebar down on the floor. I have no idea where that came from, but we're going to use some of that. And then I've got some chimney pipe sections here. I shattered the cutting disc on my grinder, and I cannot, for love nor money, get this piece off. So instead of fighting with it, I just got myself a new grinder. So we're going to open this up and get back to work. In all my excitement to start the new project, I totally forgot that in the middle of summer, I bought myself this really cool welding helmet. We've got about something that might be ready for some fire. We've got our chimney. I've got another couple sections to go on the back of that. We've got our temporary door made out of a little bit of sheet metal. I think once we know that this is actually working properly, I'll weld some hinges and a door with a little latch. But for now, we can put this guy on and also easily control how much air is coming in. We've got some legs on it, and once we prove that it's actually working, I'll probably make a grate, and if I get really fancy, maybe some little tools for scraping out the ash afterwards. and then welding something flat on top that you can put a kettle or a little pan to cook some food. Let's go outside and burn some stuff. We're now outside and equidistant away from as many flammable things as possible. We got the stove set up in the buried remains of my last fire pit, and we've got our chimney pipe and even a nice little cap on top. And we're gonna start putting wood in there and get a fire going. And if it gets hot enough, it'll burn off all the paint so I don't have to sand it or grind it off. And okay, you want to put these little guys in on top? Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah. And now, take some of these bigger guys. Maybe let's space them out a little bit. You ever built a little log cabin? That's what we're doing. Okay, you want to put a few going this way, front to back? Yeah, no, straight this way. For next layer of our log cabin. And one more. The very last thing, I'm gonna put one big log on top. Is there room for it?
A little.
We'll put it right here.
Yeah,
All right.
right there.
Are we ready to light it up?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh, that's better.
All right. Let's have a seat on our chairs and see if it works.
Oh, look. Hey, look up.
Oh, there's smoke coming out of the chimney. That's a great sign. All right, have a seat in your chair.
I can roll some those.
Yep.
We're making some noise. What is definitely catching on fire?
Awesome. Chimney's definitely working. The second smoke up the top. We'll let the fire get a little bigger. Then we can put the door on the front. Maybe halfway down. Yeah. Let air in the press. Go up, look at that. Now the smoke's gone. Now it's a little hotter. Is it working better than that?
Doesn't it also work like a homemade warmer?
Yeah. This we're testing outside, and then if it works well, we'll add a few more heaters to it, and we'll put it in our cabin tent. Yeah. Let's check some temperatures. Inside of the door is about 160 or so, 180 degrees Celsius. Actual stove, about the same, 160. Chimney, 240 at the top of the chimney, so we're still losing a lot of heat.
I want to see if the fire can actually melt the snow.
Sprinkle some snow on top of the
Oh wow, that goes fast.
it's really hot. That's why.
Well, that's fun to do. Happy New Year, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.